What if I told you Minecraft isn't just about castles, creepers, or diamonds, it's actually a sneaky money coach? I'll show you the money secrets hidden in every block, trade, and boss fight so you can become rich IRL. If Minecraft can turn dirt and wood into diamonds, it can definitely help you level up your money game. So grab your pickaxe, because we're about to craft your financial adventure. Remember your first day in Minecraft? You spawn with nothing. No tools, no food, no shelter. Just you and a bunch of blocks. You punch trees, craft tools, and slowly level up. Money works the same way. Everyone starts small. Maybe it's an allowance, summer job, or your first paycheck. That's your wooden pickaxe. Small steps stack up, one block then another, until you've built something big. Here's a mini quest. Track your money for 2 weeks. Write down what you earn and spend, and you'll spot easy wins like subscriptions you don't use. Move that money to savings. Boom, first block placed. But here's the catch. Just like in Minecraft, building without a goal leads nowhere. Think about your Minecraft goals. Maybe you want diamond armor or to defeat the Ender Dragon. You don't just wish for it, you plan, gather, and grind until it's yours. Money is the same. Set goals. Maybe $50 for a game now, or $500 for a PS5 later. Break it into weekly savings and track progress like a health bar filling up. Every time you save, you're leveling up. But what happens when shiny distractions try to steal your emeralds? At the villager market, you want everything: enchanted swords, rare blocks, and more. But with 12 emeralds, you can't buy it all. Food and armor come first. That's money in real life. Wants are fun, but needs keep you moving forward. Try this rule: save 20%, donate 5 to 10% if you can, then spend the remaining on needs before wants. Not sure if something's a need or a want? Ask yourself the Minecraft question: is this survival gear or just shiny stuff? Once you know what to spend on, the next step is learning how to earn more. In Minecraft, smart players don't just mine, they farm, trade, explore, and breed animals. Multiple income streams equals faster progress. In real life, it's the same. A job, a side hustle, and investments all stack together. Don't keep all your emeralds in one chest, if you know what I mean. When income streams combine, you reach goals way faster. But here's the real cheat code: making your money grow on its own. Saving is waiting for a bigger reward later. You skip buying something small so you can afford that pickaxe down the road. When you save, your emeralds grow baby emeralds called interest. At first, it's small, but over time it grows faster. This is compounding. Try the 24-hour rule to accelerate saving. Before buying something big, wait 1 day. If you still want it tomorrow, go for it. If not, you just saved emeralds. But saving isn't enough. You need power-ups. A Fortune 3 pickaxe is a smart upgrade because it helps you mine more. In life, spend on things that increase your skills or opportunities, like a toolkit for repairs or a course to learn new skills. These are power-ups. Skins and flashy gear look cool, but they don't level up your future. But just like in Minecraft, you need to be careful of traps that can wipe out all your progress. Bad trades, creeper explosions, or rushing into caves can erase hours of gameplay. Same with money. Scams, fake deals, and peer pressure drain your savings. Use the pause, plan, purchase method. Take a breath, verify that it's legit, and purchase only if it makes sense. Now that you're avoiding traps, you need one last protection: a backup chest. Every good base has a backup chest. In life, that's your emergency fund. Start by setting aside $50 to $100 for surprises, like broken headphones or unexpected fees. Keep it safe and separate, and build on it. It's boring until you need it, then it's a lifesaver. But Minecraft isn't just about you, it's about teamwork. The best Minecraft moments happen in multiplayer, sharing resources, helping noobs, building together. Money works the same way. Donate a little, help a friend, volunteer. It makes life richer than just hoarding emeralds. Remember, whether you're building castles or building wealth, it all starts with one block, $1, one smart choice at a time. But to actually put this into practice, you need to start earning money now. Watch this video to earn over $1,000 as a teenager with only your phone.